Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud tutorial, KodeKloud engineer tutorial. Today we are in Azure. Our task for today is the Nautilus DevOps team needs to expand the storage capacity of an existing virtual machine and add additional data disks to support increased workloads. This task requires resizing the existing VM disk and mounting a new data disk to the VM. As a member of the team, perform the following steps. Expand the existing VM, DevOps VM, from 32 gigabytes to 64, and create a new standard HDD disk named DevOps disk of 64 gigabytes, and mount that to the VM at location. There you have it. All right, so let's get started. We can start by going to our VMs and seeing what we have. And we'll just click on our VMs. And in order to do anything with the disk, we have to stop the VM. So we're going to stop it and wait for the status to say deallocated, stop deallocated. So give me a second and I'll be back when it does that. All right, I'm back. As you can see, our status is stopped, deallocated. So now what we can do is we can go down here to disk, and we see we have the OS disk right here. So we're going to click on this. We're going to go to size and performance. And we're going to change that to 64 gigabytes. I successfully updated this. Very good. Let's go back to our VM disk. And as you can see, we can refresh that, and now it's popped up there. It's updated that we have our disk is 64 gigabytes. We want to add a new disk to our machine, and we want that disk to be called DevOps disk. So I'll just copy this, paste it here, and we want it to be standard HDD, and we want 64 gigabytes. And now we can go ahead and hit the apply button down here. Creating this is updating the virtual machine, and everything's good now. So let's go ahead and go back to the overview page and start our virtual machine back up. It's starting. We'll just wait till it's in a running status. All right, it's officially running. So now I'm going to go ahead and SSH into this machine. So it's SSH Azure user, and I'm going to take public IP address right here, paste it. Very good. And we can bring up our block devices by doing list block. And our block device here is this guy right there, SDA. So what we want to do is put a file system on it. So we say make fs mkfs xfs, and then we say dev sda. Of course, I'm going to need to run this as sudo, so sudo mkfs dot xfs sda. All right, so that's our file system that is now on there. and I'll make the directory where they want us to mount it is the mount point is mount DevOps this. So I need to make a directory there. DevOps -disk. Okay. Permission denied. I also need sudo permissions to do that too. So we'll go ahead and use sudo for that. And then we can say sudo mount dev SDA to mount and DevOps this. Cool. So now when we pull up list block again, you can see that it is mounted exactly where it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead and validate the task. And there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I got more videos coming soon, so make sure you give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.